Hi, this is Brandon McIntosh. Right now I'm going to be showing you the moving of the clamp. The clamp starts away and then the logic is going to read it. Notice that it is away. Move it back to the start and then clamp it. And then I haven't programmed it to move out. I've ran short on time. But here we go. It clamps, and then the timer starts. And then as soon as the timer's done, this clamps down. Here I'll be showing that again. Beam is away, power on and start. Sorry, here it goes again. As soon as that light goes on, timer starts, hits 5 seconds, clamps down, and then should move, but does not. The next part that I've completed is I have 2 timers. One to start before it puts the cap down to ensure that the bottle is there. And then the other one is a timer that controls how long the capper is down before it moves back up to ensure that the cap is on. So I will show that now.